Of course, Memorial Day weekend here is the start of the summer travel season, and it is probably the worst time for Boeing to run back into problems over there. This time, another delay when it comes to deliveries of its Dreamliner model. And for more on that, I want to bring on Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan, who's been tracking the years-long things that we've been watching there at Boeing. Alexis?
Certainly seems to be a scenario that just doesn't seem to end with these delays. This time, as you mentioned, the 787 Dreamliner for Boeing, that comes after a 5-month halt that was lifted back in March. So this is the second time this aircraft has been stopped down, though this time the decision was made by Boeing over the same technical issue that caused that last delay and was cleared by the FAA. A Boeing spokesperson said that the FAA requested some additional information concerning the matter. Now, the FAA reportedly said that this issue is related to how new planes are inspected before they're delivered to customers. The FAA, for its part, wants to have broader inspections that are more time-consuming and require more labor in order to perform. For Boeing's part, Boeing is looking to have a more targeted analysis. But one of the quality concerns that has come up along these lines, Zach and Akiko, is production concerns for the 787 that involve tiny gaps that are in between sections of where the fuselage sections come together. Now, in a statement, Boeing said to Yahoo Finance that we're working to provide the FAA with additional information concerning the analysis and documentation associated with the verification work on undelivered 787s. We continue to work closely with the FAA in a transparent and timely manner. There's no impact, they say, on the in-service fleet. Boeing's spokesperson also said that the delay impacts near-term deliveries, and the Wall Street Journal described that short-term delay as aircraft that are due for delivery in the coming days, they said. Now, if we just briefly take a look at the number of 787 orders and deliveries, as of April 30th of this year, Boeing had delivered about 1,000 of its Dreamliners, with 487 still unfulfilled. Now, compare those numbers to orders and deliveries for the 737 MAX for that same time frame. If you look at that, the backlog there, 3,239 aircraft among a total 412. So the number is not as significant for the Dreamliner, but nonetheless, another delay, and comes at a really difficult time when travel is picking back up.
Yeah, and year to date, I mean, we're still seeing shares up by about 15% there on that chart. And you think about all the problems it's had, investors still banking on a long-term recovery there, and the company getting over those problems. But Alexis Keenan, appreciate you coming on here to bring us the latest.